All right, listen up, my fellow night owls and early birds. Ever wonder what fuels the incredible energy of Jamaican call center agents? You know, the ones who sound so calm and collected even when you're having a meltdown about your internet bill? Well, let me spill the beans, or should I say, the beef patty. That's right, folks. Forget your fancy avocado toast or your overnight oats. In the fast paced world of Jamaican call centers, the true breakfast champion, the undisputed king of morning meals, is the humble yet mighty Jamaican patty. Imagine this: you've just clocked in, the phones are ringing off the hook, and your stomach is rumbling louder than a bass speaker at a street dance. What do you grab? A warm, golden, flaky patty, of course. Whether it's beef, chicken, or even vegetable, it's the perfect handheld power up. It's quick, it's delicious, and it gives you that essential boost to handle customer queries with a smile in your voice, even if you're secretly battling a rogue crumb. It's the breakfast that says, I'm ready to conquer this queue, one polite, good morning, how may I help you, at a time. So next time you're on a call, just remember there's probably a Jamaican agent on the other end, fueled by the magic of a patty, ready to make your day better. It's not just breakfast, it's a lifestyle. Stay energized, stay Jamaican,